How to change current city on Facebook. To get started, go ahead and open up the Facebook application. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view all the Facebook posts and stories. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Once you are here, tap on Edit Public Details as shown. Scroll down to the Details section and tap on Edit beside it. Here, you can edit your profile information. Now, tap on the edit icon beside Current Town City. Over here, you can edit and change your current city. Tap on Remove below. Tap on Remove again to confirm. You have now successfully removed the current city. Here, tap on Add Current City. Now, search for your new current city from here and select it. After changing it, tap on Save below. You can share this update to your news feed if you want. After that, tap on Save again. Go back to your profile to view your new current city. Following these steps, you can easily change current city on Facebook.